crafters. Today I've got an Alina Crafts design team package for you, and I just want to show you the items I've chose from the last release. There's another new release just come out, but I'm showing items that I had from the previous release because I've only just received my design team package and I've been working and yeah, one thing or another, so sorry, apologies for the delay. So first off, I'm going to show you 2 pots of new gems from Alina. These are gold and silver, I don't know how to describe them, pearls, drops, and they're all different sizes in here. There's some small ones, some large ones, and some medium-sized ones. I think there's about 4 or 5 different sizes in these pots, and you get absolutely loads of them. So that's the gold, and here are the silver, and they're all really shiny, and yeah, they're really pretty, and I will get a lot of use for those, especially on my Christmas cards this year, but they can be used all year round. Okay, so those are the gems that I received. I will drop everything that I'm showing today in the description box below, and if you want to check out my previous DT design team packages that I've had off Alina in the past, I will link a card for 1 or 2 of them up here, so keep an eye out for those and play those back at your leisure. Okay, next up is that I had a pack of stencils. I think there's 10 stencils in here, so I'll just quickly show you each one. Some of them will come, you just need to pop these bits out, yeah, so it'll take no time at all to pop all these bits, extra bits out, but these are like slimline size stencils, so I'll quickly whiz through some of them. I love that pattern there. It's like a filigree design on that one. Some lovely flowers there, I like those. You could do, you know, multicolours of those. Don't just do them in one colour, do the centre of one colour and then blend out to do another colour. Another sort of filigree pattern there, which is more chunkier. You've got another flower one there. Again, just pop these bits out in the, they just need popping out, they're fine. You just pop those extra pieces out. Yeah, so that's that one, and then it's like that's going to be beautiful for an autumn scened card. I love that one. Different size leaves on that one, foliage, beautiful. And there's another sort of filigree pattern there. I do like that one as well, gorgeous. And then butterflies, everybody loves a butterfly, right? And these are cherries as well, gorgeous. Another sort of, I think that's like a fleur-de-lis kind of pattern, and obviously you can use them any way round. Stars, gorgeous, and hearts, and a lovely rose. So that's going to be, those are going to be so much fun. You can use those for your mixed media, all kinds of crafts. Really, you're going to get so much joy out of all of those. Okay, next up I've got a die set, which is a Christmas die set, and these are sorry for the glare, I will take it out the packaging for you. I haven't used them yet, as you can see, but I have got quite a few cards lined up, ideas of how to use these, and I will share them on my channel and Alina's as well. So there's a gingerbread house, tree, a bell, reindeer, snowman, robin, stocking, bauble, snowflake. Gorgeous set there. Okay, next up is not Christmas related. This is an everyday use, but it's an edger die. I'm just going to take it out of the packaging. Sorry, I should have done this ahead of time, but I'm in a bit of a rush today. So it's an edger die, and then you've got these lovely flowers here. There's a lovely sample on Alina's shop on AliExpress. I think there's a lovely example of this where you can just colour in the flowers. You could also ink blend, and you've got yourself an instant card. Perfect. Okay, I'll just get some white cardstock so you can see the dirt. Sorry, bear with me. Just get some white cardstock so you can see the stamp set. Now this is huge. It's an A5 size stamp set, and these huge sentiments are going to be fabulous just as a focal point on your makes. So you've got throw kindness around like confetti. Kindness is essential. Be kind always. Be kind, and a lovely bee for you to colour in there. Kindness and coffee. You will never regret being kind, and kind words can heal deep wounds. I think that's lovely. So, I mean, a sentiment stamp like that, you can make that a focal point and you've got yourself an instant card. More gnomes. In one of my previous design team packages, I had the smaller gnomes stamp set, and I have used that in a few examples. But these are larger stamps. Less people, more gnomes, and all these beautiful images. I'm not sure which of the designers designed this set, but it's one of my favourites so far from Alina, and I absolutely love that. And I've got loads of cards planned for that one. Another large floral stamp set here. So this is the large. This stamp set reminds me of like a tattoo drawing. These would look nice as if, you know, if you had a tattoo. And that's what it reminds me of. It's that's kind of, you know, grungy image, but I do like those. Plenty of open space for you there to colour in. There's a background stamp here. This is about a 5.5 by 5.5 stamp, and there's loads of open space if you want to spend time colouring in doing this, or just ink blend a background, stamp it over the top, heat emboss it, do whatever you want to do it, and you've got yourself an instant background. And I think that is absolutely stunning. I'm going to be using that a lot as well. Another background stamp, and this one's obviously Christmas with the snowflakes on, or just a winter birthday card, and I think that would look beautiful. So yeah, I really like that. I love the mixture of the spots and the snowflakes on that one. So yeah, I'm going to be enjoying that one a lot. And then another stamp set, and I don't really make a lot of Halloween cards, but I thought I'd make a couple this year and wish a couple of friends who absolutely adore Halloween a happy Halloween this year, and I'll send them a card. But yeah, so it's more gnomes. Happy Halloween, eat, drink and be scary. Welcome to our haunted house. And I just think that's adorable because of the gnomes and the sort of Halloween fancy dress get up they're wearing. I really like those. And last but not least, I've got a Stampin Die Set, and I'm sure you've seen Alina using this stamp set already, and it is absolutely beautiful. This large butterfly here is absolutely stunning, along with all of these other smaller ones. And you've got a couple of sentiments here, forever, and a hello stamp in that set as well. And for the butterflies, you also get the coordinating dies. After I've filmed this, I've got I'm filming a card using this stamp set. So if you want to see how that turns out, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a new video. Please give me a like and leave a comment, because it does help my channel. And yeah, and I'll see you all again soon. Take care. Bye bye.